The leader of the All Progressive Congress APC for Port Harcourt City Local Government Area for Rivers State, Collyns Owhonda, don talk say he don't carry waka go join body with the People's Democratic Party and say he no care whether APC suspend them or not. For one talk wey Collyns Owhonda do with Tory people for Port Harcourt, he talk say he don already join body with PDP even before some members of the All Progressive Congress APC for the state call for his suspension. He constantly talk say APC for the state no dey show any form of seriousness for their work.
As leader of FAGA, I have never one day asked our principal, Rotimi Amechi, to give me money to run FAGA. I was running FAGA with my own money. One thing I have to tell you people here today is that they cannot suspend me because I've already left the party. The first person you should write is the world chairman. I have already gone to PDP, and I went to PDP because they are focused. They are very serious party that wants to win election. I have tried my best in the party. I have spent my money in the party. Let any of them come and tell me that he has assisted me in the party. The correct thing is that we have never been serious in any election. So, if I now discovered that my party is not serious in an election, I'm not an independent candidate, and I decide not to contest, I don't know what I have done wrong.
From Rivers State, A. Carter, Ojesili, TMC TV News.